It's dinner time. Let's eat. So I went by Publix and I purchased about a pound of shrimp for dinner. They have been washed and patted dry and ready to be seasoned with Old Bay seasoning and some garlic and herb seasoning by McCormick. I set them in the refrigerator to marinate a little while I prepare a hot boiling pot of water for the rice that I'm going to cook along to have with the shrimp. In my saucepan, I have Irish butter with olive oil and a half a tablespoon of minced garlic to saute the shrimp in. Oh my gosh, the shrimp smells so delicious. And here they are. They are ready to be eaten, but not just yet because I'm waiting on the rice to be done. So I place the lid back on top until the rice is done. Well, here's the finished product. Here's my garlic and herb butter rice, my shrimp, my cucumbers with feta cheese, and a dollop of homemade tartar sauce because I do not like cocktail sauce with my shrimp. And it was so yummy. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.